Hello everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to be looking at some more stocks before the stock market opens. So first of all, let's kind of review and see how the stocks did yesterday uh, with my guesses here. I covered. See, what did I cover? Let's go with AMC first. Well, let's see. AMC. AMC. I can't remember what I said, but uh, I think I said somewhere along the lines it was right here, and I was looking at the RSI and thinking that it probably was going to go down, but instead it went up, so it did the opposite, looks like. But from what it's looking like now, let's just check the momentum of the 5 minute, see what happened here. Okay, so it did start to go down in the last bit of it, and it had its little surge. So I think it's gonna go up a little bit, but then go down. I think it's gonna start shooting down for AMC. Uh, so I don't really have an estimate. I wouldn't be personally doing any options with AMC right now because it's the RSI here is kind of in the middle, and you don't know really which direction it's gonna go. When I make my plan for doing options, the big part of it is looking at the RSI and seeing if it's all. The RSI has to be either all the way up here or all the way down here. If the RSI is down here, then I'm doing a call. If the RSI is all the way up here, I'm doing a put. So it's in between. I wouldn't personally mess with AMC today. Let's go back and let's check out SPY. Not SPY. Okay, so I was pretty. Now, if you're going to do options, and this is just my opinion, if you're going to make a bet on something, I do options on SPY. Unless there's another stock that's really interesting me, my focus is SPY, but I'll look at a couple others. Personally, I do in SPY. So yesterday I predicted, because I looked at this candle here and I said the price was at 410, and I said it's gonna maybe go up a little bit, but it's gonna start shooting down. I think I remember what I said, and what we said, because I based that because of the RSI. If we look at the RSI, we could see that yesterday, right here, can't really see it. The RSI was at the very top, and then we see it starting to go down. So my prediction, I think it's still going to keep going down. See, tomorrow I think I will have enough to do. I may have to look at it for another day or two, but uh, I think it's too late for me to actually get in. Uh, the moment for me really was to get in right here. I don't like when the RSI is going a direction. It's going down, but it could go back up. So I may hold off on doing uh, if unless SPY goes back up and then goes back up here to the closer to the top up here. If I see the direction of it going back up right here, then I might get in. But it's starting to go down, but it could do both. So if I were to, I would say it's going to go down because there's a lot. It looks like it's going down. Let's really quick look at the motion of the minute. What it ended off doing with the minute. And we can see in the last minute or last hour or so, it started going down. So that's probably what it's going to start doing today. It's going to start going down even more. So let's see. Let's look. So what I think it's going to do, I think it's going to start going down. Even though we have the cross right here, it's going to start going down. Because, if you look at right here, if you look at the RSI, and you look at the last time it was up that high, what did it do when it got way up here? It started going down. So my guess is going to be going down. Good time to get in, I think, for some options, but I'm personally not doing it till I look at it some more. Maybe tomorrow, next day. Okay, let's look at a couple other ones. See, what did I do yesterday? I think I did Microsoft. I think I did Microsoft and Apple. Let's look at those. Okay, well, this one's pretty easy to figure out. The direction it's going down. So I'm seeing that it's going down unless something happens with Microsoft in the news that makes it go up. The general direction looks like it's going to be going down today overall. Let's just see what happened in the last. Let's see what happened in the last minute. Well, it started going up in the last minute. So, but it did, you can see right up here, it started going down. So, personally, and now when I'm doing this, you go back to the video I said a couple days ago, I only trade on the day. So, I personally, when I'm looking, I look at the minute and the 5 minute just to see how things ended before the stock market closed. But generally, I'm following the charts of the day, and I only do take action when the RSI is up here or down here. But generally speaking, the looks like Microsoft will be going down today. But real quick, let's just look at the general. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, see what it's doing. Is it going down? Well, Bitcoin and everything's going up, so who knows? It could go up. But Bitcoin, crypto is going up, but I'm just telling you on what I'm seeing here. When I don't think that the market is going to go up because of the RSI mainly. Okay, so let's look at a couple more here. And now I'm making these based off the judgment of the charts and what I'm seeing. Okay, this one is real easy to figure out. You see it crossing right here, and it's already gone up. So if you got in right here, and the reason to have your EMAs is to catch moments like this, because when you see it crossing, you know that it's going to go up. When you see it crossing up, you know that the market's going to go up. The question is for how long. But because it has gone up after it's crossed, it's finally reached its point, way past its point, and it's going to start to go down. So personally, I would probably, if I were to do an option today, it probably would be Apple, and I would probably do a put for around 160 with the strike price, somewhere around there. But I think Apple is going to start going down today. I'd be very surprised if it keeps going up because the RSI it needs to go down because there's not really a lot of room for it to keep going. Okay, let's look at one more stock. Let's see, one more stock. Let's think of Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Let's do Amazon. Okay, same thing with Apple. We can see that it crossed. get to zoom in a little bit, but you see it crossed right here, and then it started going up. But the RSI is all the way here at the top, so I think it's going to just start going down. And if I were doing Amazon today, I would have put it in for a put. I would do a put with the strike price of around 135, but I think Amazon's going to be going down. Anyway, those are my predictions today of the stock market. I won't be making another video till probably Saturday on my predictions, so I'll see where the stock market goes for the next couple days and give you my input on that. Other than that, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. See you guys, future videos.